MD Graphics Designs.
Welcome to MD Graphics Designs. In this video I will show you how to design.
So now for the paperback for Amazon KDP. So this is my Canva. I'm going to be putting the width and height that Amazon asks me to use. Amazon KDP asks to use. I'm going to be using inches, 12.563 by 9.250 inches. You must change it to inches, not pixel. So I'm going to upload my design here. Upload your design. So this is my front page. That's my front cover, back cover, and the spine I just did last, not the mock-up spine. I use the PNG spine. So you adjust the back cover and front cover to fit into the measurements you just inputted. So let everything fit in. So now I'm done. You save as PDF and share to your client, or you save it somewhere you can easily locate if this is your own personal work. Also share this video to those that might be in need of this tutorial. Thank you all for watching.